Good morning. A sudden sell-off in South Korea's Kospi spooked investors in India. The steep fall in Kospi was partly attributed to program-based selling by FIIs on F&O expiry. This morning, the Kospi was up over 2% but has given up some of the gains. The rest of Asia is in the red following the overnight losses in the US and European markets. While Cisco's poor outlook weighed on Wall Street, especially the technology sector, markets in Europe were hit by mounting fiscal issues in countries like Ireland and Portugal. Given the somewhat grim global backdrop, we are set for a lower start. Having said that, we do not rule out a recovery later on in the day. The IIP data for September is likely to be subdued. Educomp, HPCL, India Cements, R Power, R Infra, Tata Steel, Tata Power and Oil India are among the key results to keep an eye on. The monthly US jobs data will also be watched for cues on the health of the US economy. Though expectations are low, the outcome of the G20 summit could also have a temporary sentiment impact on the world markets. The results to be declared today are AIA Engineering, Allied Digital, BEML, Den Networks, DQ Entertainment, Educomp, Gammon India, Gayatri Projects, HPCL, IL&FS Transportation, India Cements, Indosolar, Indraprasth Gas, Ispat Industries, ITI, Oil India, Pashwanath Developers, Pipavav Shipyard, Reliance Infra, Reliance Power, Tata Steel, Tulip Telecom, Unity Infra and Wockhardt. The FIs were net sellers at Rs 604.2 million in the cash segment on Thursday provisionally as per the NSE website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 2.69 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 5.4 billion. The foreign funds were net buyers of just Rs 1.07 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday as per the SEBI website. And mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 993 million on the same day. Heavy rains in parts of Karnataka have caused a 20% crop loss to the extent of 5 billion rupees. The first household-based unemployment survey in the country conducted by the Labour Bureau has found jobless rates as high as 9.4% compared to the 2.8% estimated by the National Sample Survey Organization in 2007. Food inflation based on the annual wholesale price index was 12.3% during the week ended the 30th of October, lower than the previous week's 12.85%. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Tata Power. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 1,400 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 1,380 for a target price of Rs 1,440. On a buy on UCO Bank, we advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 145 for a target price of Rs 153 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 141. The derivative strategies are long BEML November future in the range of Rs 1,132 to Rs 1,134 for a target price of Rs 1,162 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1,120. And long TCB November future in the range of Rs 73 to 74 for a target price of Rs 77 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 71. Thank you and have a great day ahead.